Dun, 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 dun.
Wait,
dun, 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 dun.
who's that?
Dun, dun, dun. ZEZE, duh. Before I even get into it, please leave a thumbs up, subscribe, join the family, okay? Drop a comment, all right? I love the engagements. I love seeing what y'all gotta say. And if y'all interested in seeing how I created this look, then keep on watching. Okay, so first things first is the P. Louise. You don't have to use the P. Louise. This is my go-to right now. I just put it straight on my lid and use a flat concealer brush and just kind of blend that all over to my lid. The shade that I'm using is the shade 2.
VM got the sauce.
So the palette that I'm going in with today is the Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette. And I'm going in with that color Crazy, which is like a burgundy kind of color, and my Morphe E17 brush, and just really packing that on to the outer corner and bringing that into our crease to really create the shape that we're trying to go for when we cut it. You really want to pack this on, so don't be afraid to grab more product and don't be afraid of fallout. That's why I did the eye before I do my foundation. So now I'm going to go in with that color Living My Best, which is that red color with the sparkles in it, and my Morphe and Jeffery Star brush, the JS6, and I really want to try to blend the edges out. I tapped the edges a little bit before with the previous color, and now I'm just going in and really blending those edges, like I said, and blowing the look out. So this part is, I feel like, is the most important part, because this is where the real actual shape of the entire eye look is coming in together. So now I'm back in with that color Crazy and just applying it to the center of the wing that we just created. And then I'm going back in with whatever's left over on my JS6 brush with the red color and just blending out any harsh lines that I may have created. Cut it. Cut it. So now we're about to cut the crease, of course. I'm using the Kat Von D Lock-It Concealer. This is the shade Light 16. I'm just using that same flat crease brush or concealer brush that I use to apply my P. Louise base. So my eyes are already almond shape, but my crease is slightly hooded, so I have to make my crease appear larger than it is. So I kind of just overdraw the crease, and I'm using my natural crease as a guide, so I know that needs to be bigger than that.
VM got the sauce.
So now I'm going in with that color Talia, I don't know how to say it. It's the gold one with the just a random eyeshadow brush. I think the one I have is from Elf, and just applying that everywhere that we just put the concealer. did take a little bit longer just because this is like a foily kind of shadow. Typically you would want to use your fingers, but because my nails are so long, I just choose not to do that, because every time I do that I end up scratching the other shadows, and nobody got time to be wasting product, for real. You hear me? Now I'm again with that red color Living My Best and blending the two shadows together. And this part is really creating that sunset kind of look, because since the shadow's red and it's going on top of the gold, it's creating that kind of orangey red reflectiveness that we need to really tie this look together. Now we're going with that color Temptress, which is the black, and I'm just taking a small, like really dense eyeshadow brush. The one that I'm using is the Anastasia. It's like a dual-ended brush, like one side small, one side's like a blending brush, and I'm just really packing this to the outer corner to deepen it, if you will. Yes, now that we're looking nice and snatched, we got that cat eye kind of look. Okay, girl, I see you. We're gonna go in with the Sailor Moon Glitterly Obsessed, and the one that I got is the Moonlight Legend. It's like the pink one. They literally only had one of these when I went to go pick it up, and I was like, oh my goodness, I have to have it. So the brush that I use to apply this glitter is just this e.l.f. eyeliner brush. I like to use smaller brushes with like a straight edge, just so I can get really close to the crease without going over the crease, because you know glitters can be messy sometimes, and we want this to be really clean. I had to find my eyeliner, but now it's time for eyeliner. The one I'm using is just the Essence one. It's waterproof. I really like it, but I definitely thought that Essence eyeliners used to be bigger than they were, or I'm just tripping. I don't know, but I'm just doing a thin line, like starting off pretty thin at the front of my eye and just slightly bigger to the end, but we're not going to put a wing on it because I like how it looks, like just the shadow being winged out like that. Now y'all already know what time it is. It's time for them lashes, girl. Okay. Now these lashes that I'm wearing are my lashes. You can get them on Instagram at shopmulanish. These are the style Dollie. And right now I'm just taking whatever's left on my JS6 and just dragging that out. Like I'm dragging it underneath of the wing, because when I put my foundation on, it kind of cleaned it up and I really want that blown out look. So I'm just dragging that down underneath the eye. Back in with my E17 and continuing to drag this under my eye. And like I'm just putting this under and really dragging this all the way into close to the inner corner, but not quite to the inner corner. So now I'm just going in with my bronzer. Same one I use every single time I do my makeup. This is the CoverGirl Queen. the ebony bronze color, and honestly, I've had this forever. I don't even know if they make this anymore. And I'm just using a fluffy brush. Not sure what this brush is called. I got this from Aoa in a set. The whole set was like $10, came with 10 brushes. So everything on that site is really like $1. So I think I might do like a haul for you guys so y'all can see some stuff that I get from there.
VM got the sauce.
You cannot forget that nose, okay? You want that nose to look snatched, raised, lifted, pointy, okay? Underneath the lips, so your lip look extra juicy, extra pouty, okay? And definitely don't forget that double chin, girl. Don't nobody want to see that. Now, I don't always contour my nose like this. I usually just do the bottom and leave it, but I felt like because this look was so dramatic, it was kind of necessary. So the brush that I'm using to contour my nose is another Aoa brush. This is the Hi Def brush, the E104. And just placing that into the inner corner to kind of bring the eye into the nose. I just started doing this and I feel like it's made a total difference with my nose contour. Now I'm just going in with my go-to blush. Guess where it's from? Aoa, you got it. So this is, I think it's like a sub-brand called Amuse, and the color is Doll Face. It's just like a light pink. I think it looks really good on my skin, and so yeah, that's one that I'm using. And the brush that I'm using is just the Wet and Wild brush. This brush is really inexpensive as well. And I'm just really packing that on. I'm tapping it on instead of wiping to just blend it in to the bronzer we just put on. And I always put blush on the sides of my nose. I don't know, it just really helps blend the contour in. Like, it's a look, girl, it's a look. Try it. Now I'm just spraying my setting spray. This is the Makeup Forever setting spray. My go-to is usually the Urban Decay, but I ran out and it's quarantine, so your girl will not be getting any anytime soon. Not till them stores open back up. So now I'm going in with this other random brush. I don't know, maybe I need new brushes because I don't know where I got any of them from for real. I just collect them over the years. But I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty highlighter in the shade What a Brat and putting this in my inner corner. Also putting this underneath the eyebrow, my nose, you know, the places that you would highlight. Now I'm going in with the same highlighter, but with my Morphe 510 and just putting that on my cheekbones on the highest part. This highlighter and this blush combo, girl, I be using this all the time. Like, this is the key. This is the key right here. So now I'm going in with some mascara. This is Urban Decay Perversion mascara. I'm not really into mascaras like that. I just know you need them so your eyelashes don't look ashy. So yeah, comment down below your favorite mascara right now. Maybe I'll try some of them. And here you have it. Here's the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. All I did was put on a lip to finish, to complete the look. I will pop that up right now. And like I said, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. Love you. Bye.